Pardon me. Dr. Freeman, I presume. You better hurry. The Combine can be slow to wake, but once they're up, you don't want to get in their way. Dr. Kleiner said you'd be coming this way. I don't think it occurred to him that you might not have a map. I'm Alyx Vance. My father worked with you back in Black Mesa. I'm sure you don't remember me, though. You had a few words, aren't you? Remember him from Black Mesa? Your old administrator. Don't get my dad started on Dr. Breen.